Time to get back on my New York shit. Here we go. While I continue to flip scripts, y'all just sit, blow dicks, this is it. This is the full spit I told you about. I flow through the doubt, straight through to the other dimension. Fold through the bout, and I fought to the finish. Broke through the tension, hopefully mostly me just hoping and praying for the ascension. Uplifting your soul, moving your body, this is our intention. But I got no crew, it's just me and these beats. Me, my girl in these streets, these sheets of paper. Loose leaf raper, Dan Rake the original preacher. Priest to many throughout the years. Answered your doubt and I silenced your fears. Shed, spread, led spirit and knowledge to peers, advocates and enemies. Some held it close, some tossed them away like pennies. Real ones, fake ones, various types, I seen plenty. Empty, simply heartless bastards. Some doing the same thing, some changed, most is in caskets. No bullshit. Call it karma, from petty thieves to Iran Contra. Where the most end up at, ending up a rap. No paper, vaporizing into the atmosphere. Last, have no fear, my son, as you feel that cold breeze. We hold these truths to be self-evident. They put dudes away every day, no evidence, and the rich walk that same way, same day. Opposite from the essence, opposite fates to stay true, faithful, and master your gift. There's only a few masters of this, with that bastard flow shit. Locked in, most know about knifed and glocked in days. Feeling like you was locked in a maze, with no end. I'm at wit's end, but you went the distance against resistance. You wonder why you're still not back? Do the right thing daily and nightly, and watch your life react like lightning, with success. With success. With success.